Okay, hello students. Sorry for the late. Okay, I've been late by 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, there was a small technical slag. There's a small technical slag of my PPTs. Okay, that is the reason I was a bit late. So we shall start with our class for today. Right, it is another analysis session. Okay, today we are having another analysis or a solution session. Okay, or a solution session of the CE, right, of the civil engineering plus ECE paper. Okay, of the civil engineering plus the ECE paper which have happened in the GATE 2020. So some questions we took in yesterday's EC paper, right? Some questions we took in yesterday's paper. The remaining 4 questions will be took by me now. Okay, I will take the remaining 4 questions now and plus the 10 questions of civil engineering. So total 14 questions we will be solving today, right? Let's go forward with the class. Okay, analysis of ECE and CE 2020, GATE 2020. Right, so this is the first question. So this was the first question. Okay, this is an ECE question. It is 3:15 in your watch. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand is dash. It is 3:15 in your watch. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand is dash. Yes, it is 7.5, right? 7.5. 3:15 matlab 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes. Hour hand, okay? So in a minute hand, the 60 minutes is equal to 5 in the hour hand, right? It is 5 in the hour hand. So if you see the 60 units of minute hand, it is actually equal to 5 units of the hour hand. 60 units of the minute hand is equal to 5 units of the hour hand. So 50 units of minute hand will be equal to what? Okay, 60 is to 5, 60 is to 5, 15 is to what? That you have to find out. So cross multiply 15 into 5 divided by 60, you'll get it as 1.25, right? You'll get it as 1.25. What they have asked? They have asked about the degrees, right? They have asked about the degrees. So 60 is equal to 360 degrees, right? 60 units is equal to 360 degrees. So 1.25 units is equal to how much? Okay, that you have to find out. 1.25 into 360 divided by 6, right? 1.25 into 360 divided by 6, 7.5 degrees is the answer, which is our option A, right? Option A. Clear with this? Okay, chalo, we'll move on to the next one. Huh? Chalo. A, B, C are real numbers. Okay, A, B, C are real numbers. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. The quadratic equation ax square plus ax square minus bx plus c has equal roots, which is beta. Then which of the following options will be the answer? Okay, ax square minus bx plus c. Ax square minus bx plus c, they have equal roots, which is beta. Okay, then what will be the right option? Then what will be the right option? Right, first see the quadratic equation, right? इसका एक बार differentiation करो, right? Ax square, so this will be 2a minus b equals 0, right? 2a minus b equals 0. So what will be beta here? Find out the first beta, right? So it is a square minus bx plus c. So this will be 2a minus b equals beta, right? So I'll take it as 2 beta equals b by a, right? 2 beta is equal to b by a. Clear? 2 beta equals b by 2a. Okay, 2 beta is equal to b by a, or I can also write it as beta is equal to b by 2a, because this is ax square. So this will be 2a minus b into x. So b is equal to 0. C is a constant here, right? C is a constant here. So 2 beta equals b by a, or b beta is equal to b by 2a. Let's name it as equation 1, right? Let's name it as equation 1. Similarly, take the square root here. Okay, take the square root or the constants. So this will be beta square is equal to c by a, right? Take the square roots or constants here. Minus bx, दोनों पॉजिटिव है, प्लस c प्लस ax square. This is minus bx, right? Negative को हटा रहा हूँ, positive constants I am taking it. Ax square is there. So this will be what? This will be what? It will be beta square is equal to c by a, right? It is a plus होगा, so it is c by a. So this is 1, this is 2. So 1 into 2 करो, beta into beta, beta cube, right? b by 2a into c by a, b by 2a into c by a, which is b by 2a into c by a, right? Which is bc by 2a square, right? bc by 2a square. So beta cube equals bc by 2a square, right? Beta cube equals bc by 2a square. The option A, right? The option A. Clear? Clear with this, people? Right? First, I am taking the normal differentiation. It will be 2 beta equals b by a, or beta equals b by 2a. Then minus bx is there, so that is negative. Taking the positive constraints, beta square equals c by a, because this is ax square. So this will become beta square is equal to c by a, just taking the positive ones. Okay, and then multiplying both of them. Beta cube equals bc by 2a square. Clear with this? Shall we move on to the next one? Right? Yes. So this is question number 3. A super additive function f dot it satisfies the following property, that is f of x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to f of x1 plus f of x2, right? So f of x1 plus x2, okay, is greater than or equal to f of x1 plus f of x2, f of x1 plus f of x2. So which one of the following functions is a super additive function if x is greater than 1? Which one of the following will be a super additive function if x is greater than 1? If x is greater than 1, which one of the following will be a super additive function, right? Which one of the following will be a super additive function? Yes, just go by the options. X is greater than 1, मतलब x को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 1 2 3 4 5, right? I can write x as 1 2 3 4 5. So take e power x, right? What is this? x1 plus x2, right? x1 plus x2. So good evening Soumya. Okay, e power x. So I will take x as 1, x1 as 1, x2 as 2, or else you can also take x1 as 2, x2 as 3, right? So x1 plus x2, that is e power 5. It should be greater than e power 2 plus e power 3, right? E power 5 should be greater than e power 2 plus e power 3. Is it true? Is it true? Yes, e power 5, it is greater than e power 2 plus e power 3, right? Gate में thank God you guys will be having the calculator, virtual calculator रहेगा, right? So calculate this. E power 5 is greater than e power 2 plus e power 3. One not take x as 1 or 2. Take x as 1 or 2. So this will be 1 plus 2 e power 3 is greater than or equal to e power 1 plus e power 2, right? It is greater than or equal to e power 1 plus e power 2. बाकी तीनों options जाएंगे ही नहीं, right? We won't go for the 3 options because the first option is only correct. right? First option is only giving us the super additive function, so it is e power x. So it is e power x. You can actually do the same thing also, right? In the options B, C, D also 1 by x. So substitute it 1 by x1 plus x2. So 1 plus 3. 1 by 3 is equal or greater than 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. No, 1 by 1 is itself 1. Okay, so B is wrong there. Root x, right? रूट एक्स है राइट तो रूट एक्स अभी रूट 3 is equal to or greater than okay root 1 plus root 3 right is it true this is again wrong here now e power minus x obviously wrong होगा right e power minus x obviously wrong होगा so it is a e power x clear with everyone it is a e power x option a I don't know, in this response sheet it was option A. In some it might have been B, C or D. ये response sheet अच्छा था. The first one only we got as the answer. In some it might have been D. So चारों solve करना पड़ता हम लोगों को. या in some it might have been B. दो solve करना पड़ता. Clear with this? Clear with this completely? Shall we move on to the next? Assume x is greater than 1. Okay. Now question number 4. The following figure shows the data of students enrolled in 5 years. That is 2014 to 2018 for two schools P and Q. For two schools P and Q. During this period, the ratio of the number of students enrolled in school P to the average of the difference of the number of students enrolled in schools P and Q is dash. Okay, so I'll give you guys the formula also. The ratio you should find out is P divided by P minus Q, right? This ratio you guys have to find out. P divided by P minus Q. So find out karo. Here is the graph. The graph is here, right? The graph is here. So it is P by P minus Q. Right, P by P minus Q. So take this. First, the number of students enrolled in school P, right? The number of students enrolled in school P. So here is school P and this is the number of students. It is in thousands, but you guys take it in normal units only, right? Normal units. So पहला क्या है? It is 3 plus 5, right? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13, right? 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. Right, average बोला है. How many schools are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Right, how many schools are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 23 by 5, which is option P, right, which is for the P. Now P minus Q, right? P minus Q क्या करेंगे हम? It is 23, right? तो Q कितना है? 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 8 11 plus 8 19. 19 plus 7 19 plus 7 26. 26 plus 5 26 plus 5 31. So it is 31 minus 23 divided by, this is also average, right? Average of the difference of the number of students, right? Average of the difference of the, yeah, Q minus P या P minus Q, right? Q minus P या P minus, difference बोला है ना? So they have stated it as difference. Difference का मतलब क्या है? The end result should be positive, right? आप 23 minus 31 भी करो या 31 minus 23 करो, difference का मतलब है it is positive. The end result should be positive. If they have mentioned it as subtraction, then problem होगा. Okay, if it is a subtraction, then you should take P minus Q only. They mentioned it as difference, so difference 31 minus 23 या 23 minus 31. the end answer should be positive, right? It is 31 minus 23 by 5. Difference of the number of schools, right? How many number of schools are there? P और Q दोनों को मिलाना नहीं है इधर, right? We should find out how many number of schools are there. They both are having equal schools, right? Equal schools. दोनों का 5 schools है. So it is 31 minus 23 by 5, right? 31 minus 23 by 5. तो P by Q करो अभी, right? 23 by 5 divided by 31 minus 23 by 5, right? 5 cancel, 23 by 8, right? 23 by 8. Option A. Clear with this? 23 by 8, option A. Chalo, okay. Now we will move on with the civil engineering section. So this was the last. This was the last of the ECE section. Now we are moving forward with civil section, right? So this is the first question of the civil section. The sum of two positive numbers is 100. After subtracting 5 from each other, the product of the resulting numbers is 0. One of the original numbers is dash. The sum of the two positive numbers is 100. After subtracting 5 from each number, the product of the resulting numbers is 0. What is that one original number? What is that one original number? Obviously, you will get 2, right? So tell me that one original number. Yes, so first one, sum of two positive numbers, right? Let the two positive numbers be A and B. Let the two positive numbers be A and B. तो first one क्या लिखा है? Sum of both of them. A plus B is equal to 100, right? A plus B is equal to 100. दूसरा क्या है? Subtracting 5 from each number, right? So A minus 5, right? And B minus 5 is equal to 0, right? Subtracting 5 numbers and product matlab multiply. After subtracting 5 of them, okay, after subtracting 5 from each number, when you multiply both of them, the answer will be 0. The answer will be 0, right? The answer will be 0. Now formulate this equation, right? A plus B equals 100. A minus 5 into B minus 5 equals 0. These two हमारा simultaneous equations बन गया, right? A plus B equals 100. A minus 5 into B minus 5 equals 0. Both became our simultaneous equations. Now solve the both equations. You will get the value of A to be 5, right? You will get the value of A to be 5. Substitute A. So it is 5 plus B equals 100. So B is equal to 100 minus 5, which is 95. Right, which is 95. So one number is 5, another number is 95. Go back to the options. 5 is not given, so go for the another number, 95. Right, go for the another number, 95. Option A, 95 is the right answer. Right, clear boys? Shall I move on to the next one now? Chalo. Yes, the total expenditure of a family on what last wala? Okay. Which one, Soumya? Which one? This one. A minus 5 into B minus 5. Yeah, you can take anything. Okay, I solved for A and I got A equals 5. You can solve for B and get B equals 5. Okay, that's not a problem here. The two numbers will be 5 and 95. I solved for A, so I got A as 5. You will solve for B and you'll get B as 5. उतना ही डिफरेंस है. मैंने A के लिए सॉल्व किया इसलिए मुझे A का आंसर मिला 5. आपने B के लिए किया इसलिए आपको B का आंसर मिला. So the two numbers are 5 and 95. That's it. Okay. The two numbers are 5 and 95. So 5 is not present in the options. You're going for 95. Okay. 5 is not present in the options. You're going for 95. Yes. The total expenditure of a family on different activities in a month is shown in the pie chart below. The extra money spent on education as compared to transport in percentages dash. The extra money spent on education as compared to transport in percentages dash. Simple question. Just substitute the percentage, you get the answer. मैंने क्या बोला है? Whenever percentage is mentioned, what you should take? Whenever percentage is mentioned, what you should take? You should take the total as 100, right? Okay, see, whenever percent is there, so let us take the total as 100 rupees, right? Total expenditure. उसमें से कितना? एजुकेशन जो है 15% है, ट्रांसपोर्ट जो है 10% है, राइट? सो ट्रांसपोर्ट विल बी 10% ऑफ इट, दैट इज 10 rupees, right? Then education will be 15% of it. So education is 15%, which is 15 rupees, right? Education is 15 rupees. Now what they have told, what is the extra money spent? How much extra money is spent? So it is 15 minus 10, right? 15 minus 10. 5 rupees is extra, right? 5 rupees is extra. 5 rupees is extra. So it is 15 minus 10. 5 rupees extra spend किया है मैंने. So extra money in percentage बताना है मुझे, right? 5 rupees is the extra money spent by me. In percentage I should tell. So compare by percentage. So I have spent 10 rupees on transport, 15 rupees on education, 5 rupees extra. तो ये 100% है. ये कितना हुआ? 50% ज्यादा, right? 50% more. So it is option C. 50% more, right? Pranav, it is in percentage, Baba. Okay, see here. In percent they have asked. Okay, don't get confused. In percent they have asked. In rupees it is 5 rupees extra. Okay, in rupees it is 5 rupees extra. But in percentage they have asked. In percentage matlab they are not told the total expenditure as something. So we are assuming it as 100 rupees, right? 100%. So they are spending 5 rupees extra. 5 rupees extra on education. That is equivalent to 50% of transport, right? That is equivalent to 50%. Matlab 5 rupees is 50% of transport. So it is option C, 50%. Right? The extra money spent. They are not asking the total money or this. The extra money spent on education as compared to transport in percentage. So they are spending 50% of extra money. Right? 50% of extra money. ट्रांसपोर्ट जो है वो 10 रुपए का है, 5 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा, तो ट्रांसपोर्ट का 50% ज्यादा. ट्रांसपोर्ट का 50% ज्यादा. क्लियर? Shall we move on to the next one now? चलो, वो परसेंटेज का ये पता अभी है ना आपको. इट इज टी माइनस पी बाई टी इंटू 100. सो 15 माइनस 10 divided by 15 into 100, right? 15 minus 10 divided by 15 into 100, 5 by 10 into 100, which is 50%, right? Question 8. 5 friends PQRST went camping. At night they had to sleep in a row inside the tent. P, Q and T refused to sleep next to R since he snored loudly. P and S wanted to avoid Q as he usually hugged people in sleep. Okay, assuming everyone was satisfied with their sleeping requirements, what is the order in which they slept? What is the order in which they slept? Right, this is a बहुत easy question है. ठीक है, P, Q and T they can't be next to R, right? P, Q and T they can't be next to R, and P and S they can't be next to Q, right? P, Q and T can't be next to R, P, S can't be next to Q. See the first one, Q is next to R, right? Q is next to R, wrong, right? Next one, R, S, P, right? R, S, P, उसके बाद T आता है, उसके बाद Q आता है. So P and S they are not next to R, satisfy हो गया conjunction. P, Q, T they are not next to R, right? P, Q, T they are not next to R. Here R is S is next to R. Okay, this one will be consideration. Next Q, T, right? Q and T they should be not next to R, right? But P is P and S they are next to Q. Q, T, S, P, R, right? Q, T, S, P, R. ठीक है, then D1, okay, D1 SPR TQ PQT, right? PQT they shouldn't be next to R, wrong, right? They shouldn't be next to R. तो इधर क्या है, QTSPR, right? See here properly, QTSPR, Q and T are here, okay? Q and T are here. SPR, P is next to R, right? P is next to R, so this is wrong again. So it is option B. सर स्टेटमेंट के बाद ही बन की, यस यस, स्टेटमेंट के बाद ही सब ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट हो जाता है, राइट? इन जस्ट द स्टेटमेंट्स ओनली ऑल द ऑप्शंस विल गेट एलिमिनेटेड. इट इज जस्ट द B1. Soon after the first statement only you will get all the options eliminated, right? It is all the options will get eliminated. Clear? चलो अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जाते हैं, which was very easy, right? Yeah, the units place in 26591,749 power 110016 power 110016. What is the answer? C1. Pranav, there is no option C1. प्रणव, ऑप्शन C1 नहीं है. C1 ऑप्शन नहीं है. Options are only ABCD. Only ABCD are the options. चलो, right? Yes, it is option C. Okay, units place. Units place is always the backwards में first number. Backwards में first number is called as units place, है ना? So this is 9. Okay, 9 power 0. 9 power 0 is 1. Okay, which comes there? It is 9 power 0. So it is a cyclic rotation. It will be 9 1 9 1 9 1 ऐसे जाता जाएगा, right? It will be 9 1 or 1 9 or 9 1 or 1 9. Okay, 9 power 0 or 9 power 1. So we are taking 9 power 0, which is 1. पता है मुझे सौम्या, आई नो, उसने सी ऑप्शन दिया है, मैं उसको मजाक कर रहा था. Okay, question 10. It is a common criticism that most of the academicians, okay, academicians live in their dash, so they are not aware of the real life challenges. They are not aware of the real life challenges. So where do they live in? Glass palaces, ivory towers, big flats, homes. Okay, glass palaces, ivory towers, big flats, homes. Yes, it is option B. Okay, it is option B. Ivory towers. Ivory towers का मतलब क्या है? Do you guys know what ivory is? Do you guys know what ivory is? Elephant का दो दांत होता है. Okay, elephant का जो दांत होता है, the white color, it is called as ivory. So what does that mean? It is a state of privileged seclusion or separation from the facts and practicalities of the real world. ठीक है, जो लोग अपने आप को रियल और प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड से दूर रखते हैं, we tell those people live in ivory towers. मतलब there is nothing real or practical which is going inside them, right? Which is going inside them. They are not hearing to anything which is happening outside the world. They are in their own world. Okay, they are secluded or separated from the world. Okay, from the real world. Yeah, the tusk of elephant. Okay, the tusk of elephant, ivory, right? Chalo, his hunger for reading is insatiable. His hunger for reading is insatiable. He reads indiscriminately. He is most certainly a or an dash reader. Okay, he is most certainly a or an dash reader. Yes, he is a voracious leader. Okay, he is a voracious leader. Precocious spelling wrong hai baba. Okay, precocious, the spelling is this. Okay, Rupali, the spelling is wrong. It is not precautious. It is precautious. पता है ना, precautious. Precautious मतलब caution लेना. Okay, his hunger for reading, that is this person likes reading. His hunger for reading, वो भूखा है, पढ़ने के लिए भूखा है वो, right? So his hunger for read. Okay, तो he likes reading. He reads indiscriminately, मतलब उसका कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं है कि मुझे सिर्फ स्टोरी बुक्स पढ़ना है, मुझे सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक्स पढ़ना है. वो कुछ भी दे दो पढ़ लेगा. He reads indiscriminately. He doesn't need anything. Okay, like separate. He doesn't need anything separate कि मुझे सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ स्टोरी बुक चाहिए. नहीं, कुछ भी दे दो वो पढ़ेगा. So he is a voracious leader, right? He is a voracious reader. मतलब कुछ भी दे दो वो पढ़ेगा. He loves reading, right? He loves reading. So he is a voracious leader, right? Engaging in an activity with great eagerness or enthusiasm. Okay, engaging in an activity with great eagerness or enthusiasm. When you love something, right? When you love something, when you love to do something, that is called as eagerness or enthusiasm. मुझे ये काम करना पसंद है, तो मैं कुछ भी हो जाए ये काम करूंगा, right? Insatiable means it is not count, it is beyond counts, beyond limits. You can't express his love in numbers like infinity, right? Infinity, ठीक है? ही इज ए वाइज रीडर का मतलब क्या है? वाइज का मतलब क्या है? ही इज इंटेलिजेंट, राइट? इंटेलिजेंट और स्मार्ट, है ना? तो he is reading indiscriminately. If he is just reading math subject, okay, और साइंस सब्जेक्ट, he is a wise reader, मतलब वो समझ सकता है बात को. बट इधर क्या बोला है? he reads indiscriminately, मतलब कुछ भी दे दो पढ़ेगा वो, right? he reads indiscriminately, so he loves reading, he does not understand them. if he understand them, then he is called as wise. अगर आप जो टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखा है वो आप अंडरस्टैंड करते हो, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज वाइज. वोरेशियस मतलब ही रीड्स एवरीथिंग. आंसर स्लाइड में ऑप्शन बी दिया है. सॉरी इट इज ऑप्शन ए. ओके, इट इज ऑप्शन ए. सॉरी, वो मेरा गूगली था. हाँ, ओके, इट इज ऑप्शन ए, वोरेशियस, राइट? इट इज वोरेशियस. ओके, ही इज ए वोरेशियस रीडर, नॉट वाइज रीडर. चलो, राइट. क्वेश्चन 12. Insert seven numbers between 2 and 34 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. Okay, insert seven numbers between 2 and 4 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. The sum of these inserted seven numbers is, okay, the sum of these inserted seven numbers is or are, okay, is or are. 124. C126 is the answer, right? C126 is the answer. Now, what they have given here, okay, there are seven numbers between 2 and 34, right? So it is 2, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7 and 34, right? And 34. Matlab, what is n here? How many elements are there? How many numbers are there? N is equal to 9, right? N is equal to 9. Tn, the last term is 34, right? The last term is 34. तो इन सबको कैसे लिखूंगा मैं? 2 a plus 2d, right? Comma a plus 4d, right? Comma a plus 6d, right? Like this I'll keep on going, right? a plus 2d, a plus 4d, a plus 6d, okay, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d, x plus 6d, ऐसे जाता रहूंगा, right? So it is like this: 2a plus d, a plus 2d, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, right? 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. So it is 1, 2, 3, a plus 3d, which is 4, a plus 4d, which is 5, a plus 5d, which is 6, and this is 7. There are 7 numbers between 2 and 34, right? So n is equal to 9. Sn is equal to, first we will find out Sn ka value, right? Sn ka value. How many numbers are between them? 7 by 2, right? 7 by 2 into a plus 6d, right? First one is a, the last one is a plus 6d, a plus 6d. So this will be equal to 7 into a plus 3d, right? 7 into a plus 3d. Now go back. What they have told, okay? The sum of these inserted 7 numbers, that is a minus 2, right? So either come here, a plus d, a plus 2d. So this one karo, this one, the first one, which is a minus 2, right? The first one is a minus 2, and again, which is a plus d minus a, right? A minus 2 is equal to a plus d minus a. So a cancel हो जाएगा. So it is a minus 2 is equal to d, or d is equal to a minus 2, right? A minus 2 is equal to d, or d is equal to a minus 2. Similarly, this was for the first term. Do it for the last term. A minus 2 is equal to 34, right? A minus 2 is equal to 34 minus A plus 6D, right? The first term is there, the last term is here. So it is A minus 2 is equal to 34 minus A minus 6D, right? A minus 6D. D का value क्या है? What is the value of D? The value of D is given as A minus 2, right? The value of D is given as A minus 2. Substitute it here. You'll get the value of A as 6, right? You'll get the value of A as 6, D as 4, right? You'll get the value of A as 6, D as 4, okay? Substitute it accordingly. The answer will be 126, right? Substitute it accordingly. The answer will be 126. Clear? So here 7 into 6 plus 3 into 4, right? Which is 7 into 6 plus 12, which is 7 into 18, which is 126. Okay, कौन सा ऑप्शन था? Was option C. Right? The question 13. Select the word that fits the analogy. Fuse, fusion. Use is what? Fuse is fusion. Use is what? Vignesh Kapu. Yes, it is true. Use is usage, right? Use is usage. Fuse, okay? Fusion. What does fusion mean? The working of fuse, okay? Fusing, connecting together. Fusion, connection of two things together, right? Connection of two things together. Use, using together. Usage, when two things are used together, we call it as usage, right? Daily usage, monthly usage, that is daily we are using this thing, monthly we are using this thing, right? So it is use is usage. Use on कोई वर्ग नहीं है. Uses is just the plural of use, right? Use is singular, uses is plural. User is a noun. The person who uses is called as user. So fuse is connection of a thing, okay? The working of the connection of things is fusion. Use, it is just the use of a thing. Usage, the working of usage, right? Two or things together. Daily usage, monthly usage, weekly usage. So it is option A, usage, right? So the last question of today's class. If 0 to 9 are coded as O to X, then 45 is coded as what? Okay, Pranav, you might remember this question. Yesterday ऐसा ही एक question किया था हमने. 0 to 9 is coded as O to X. Then what is 45? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? O to X. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, right? U, V, W, X हो गया. तो हमें 45 का चाहिए, right? 45. So what is 45? It is ST, right? What is 45? It is ST. So it is option C. Clear? It is option C. 45 चाहिए, so it is ST. 45 is ST, so it is option C, right? Option C is the correct answer. Any doubts, guys? Okay, so those people, today you have a different news. Okay, the gate as well as ESC, they both have been clubbed. Okay, it is just not GATE subscription. जो लोग ESC के लिए भी prepare करते हो, even they can buy this. So it is GATE plus ESC subscription, right? GATE plus ESC subscription. Okay, so this is for a month, which is 5,000 per month. I will tell you the rates. It is slightly increased. GATE plus ESC है ना, तो it is 7,000 कुछ है उसका rates. Okay, I will tell you. You can get a 10% off by using my referral code. Okay, or else you can go for these above four set sections and get another 10% off, right? 12th question repeat चाहिए सौम्या. ये वाला. Step 3. Step 3 मतलब कौन सा? I'll just erase this. Wait a minute. Yeah, tell me Soumya, which one? ये -2. ये स्टेप है ना, ये स्टेप, right? ये step, right? This is one you wanted to ask. So see here, the first one, the first term, the a term. What is a term? हम हमेशा ये जो डिफरेंस है, कॉमन डिफरेंस कैसे निकालते हैं? द टर्म माइनस डी, राइट? द टर्म माइनस डी. So here the first term is a minus 2, right? The first term is a minus 2. हमारा AP का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula of AP? It is a plus d, right? A minus 2, the first term, is equal to a plus d but minus a. Okay, so it is a plus d minus a. A gets cancelled, so it is a minus 2 equals d. Okay, this is the first term. 2 comma a here, right? 2 comma a is there. Okay, 2 comma a is there, so I have taken it as a minus 2. Then it is a plus d minus a. Hamara, you have our thing, you can see the question here, right? You can see the formula here. It is a plus d. Basically we do not have d, so we have placed a plus 6d, right? So it is a plus d, so I am writing that only. First term a minus 2, which is equal to a plus d minus a. Okay, this is equal to a plus d minus a. Got it? Okay, fine. Chalo, so that's it from the class, guys. Okay, I hope you had a good session. From 18th onwards, okay, from 18th February morning 10 a.m. you guys will be having YT sessions on CIL, right? YT sessions on CIL will be there, so kindly attend it. Okay, so this was my session, this was my general aptitude session on all the papers. So I have covered the instrumentation paper, mechanical paper, CSC paper, ECE paper, EEE paper, and today the civil paper. All the papers have been covered by me. Okay, so any queries and all, you can contact me on my Unacademy forum and also message me on the Unacademy forum. You can also message me by texting me on my email ID Shreyas _ Aravind at yahoo.in, right? Okay, thank you Vignesh, thank you Soumya. So I'll wait for a period of 1 minute. If there are any doubts, please do ask me, or else I'll end the class, right? I'll end the class. Thank you, PP. Right? I hope so there are no doubts. Okay, guys. We'll meet again on 18th February. Right? On 18th February on our CIL YouTube session. Till then, have a good day.